Hey everyone, let me ask you something. What's the one household chore we all wish could be faster, easier, and less frustrating? Cleaning, right? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the 5 best cordless vacuum cleaners that are here to revolutionize the way you clean your home. Gone are the days of tripping over cords or being limited by outlets. These vacuums are sleek, lightweight, and packed with power, offering you ultimate freedom while still tackling dirt, dust, and pet hair like pros. Whether you're a neat freak or just someone looking for quick and hassle-free solutions, I've got the perfect options lined up for you. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's find the cordless vacuum that will change your cleaning game forever. Number 5. Electrolux Ergorapido Stick Cleaner Lightweight Cordless Vacuum. Introducing the Electrolux Ergorapido Stick Cleaner in Satin White, the ultimate lightweight cordless vacuum designed to bring convenience and efficiency to your daily cleaning routine. Imagine effortlessly gliding from room to room, tackling both carpets and hard floors with ease. This stylish vacuum features LED nozzle lights that illuminate hidden dust and debris, ensuring no corner is left unclean. The turbo battery power provides extended runtime, allowing you to clean more areas without needing frequent recharges. With up to 45 minutes of powerful, fade-free suction, you can tackle your entire home in one go. The Ergorapido is incredibly versatile, easily converting to a handheld vacuum for quick cleanups, car interiors, and upholstery care. The 180-degree Easy Steer swivel steering offers smooth maneuverability around furniture and tight spaces, making cleaning a breeze. One of the standout features is its self-standing design, which allows you to pause your cleaning session without leaning the vacuum against a wall. The easy-to-empty dust cup and washable filter simplify maintenance, ensuring your vacuum remains in top condition. Pet owners will appreciate the included pet hair tool, specifically designed to lift stubborn pet hair from all surfaces. The dusting brush and crevice tool make it easy to reach every nook and cranny. Elevate your cleaning experience with the Electrolux Ergorapido Stick Cleaner. This vacuum isn't just about cleaning. It's about transforming your home with minimal effort and maximum results, because your home deserves the best care every day. Number 4. LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Your go-to for quick daily cleaning. Steady, speedy, and super convenient. Ready to go whenever you are. Get up to 50 minutes of power with the crevice or pet tool in eco mode, 30 minutes with the vacuum head, and 12 minutes in turbo mode. Note, run times are based on testing at room temperature. Tackle urgent messes fast. Powerful suction handles unexpected cleaning tasks with ease, so you stay stress-free. Note, this vacuum is designed for dry messes only and should not be used to clean up wet spills or liquids. Lies 180 degrees flat to reach under furniture and includes 3 LED lights to spot dust as you go. Effective cleaning for Trixie Spot's hair, and the dusting brush doubles as a crevice tool for hard-to-reach areas. Finesse daily cleaning tasks, fast and stress-free. No more wasting time untangling hair from the brush. Our anti-tangle brush is designed to help you clean quickly with less hassle. Easy storage. Aft to side. Tested per ASTM F1977-22 QUALITYASSURANCE. If you experience any issues with the product, please feel free to contact us directly. Our contact details can be found in the user manual, and our customer service team will respond within 24 hours. Filter and battery. Replace the filter every 3 months for best performance. Genuine filters are available in our store or by searching LEVOIT LVAC 200 filter. For longer cleaning, get an extra genuine battery for double the runtime. Number 3. Bissell Cleanview XR PET 300 watts Cordless Vacuum. Introducing the Bissell Cleanview XR PET 300 watt cordless vacuum, model 3797V, the ultimate tool for tackling pet hair and dirt. This powerful, lightweight vacuum is a game changer for pet owners who want a spotless home without the hassle of cords. With a 300-watt motor, the Cleanview XR PET provides impressive suction power for carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles. The advanced brush roll lifts pet hair and dirt with ease. The removable battery offers up to 45 minutes of runtime, allowing you to clean your entire home in one go. Easily swap the battery for continuous cleaning power. The Bissell Cleanview XR PET converts to a handheld vacuum, perfect for cleaning furniture, stairs, and car interiors. The pet hair tool and crevice tool help you reach stubborn pet hair and tight spaces. Ergonomically designed for comfort, this vacuum has an easy empty dirt bin and lightweight build for effortless maneuverability. The swivel steering ensures smooth navigation around furniture. Experience the Bissell Cleanview XR PET 300-watt cordless vacuum, where power, convenience, and style meet. Enjoy a cleaner, fresher home with a vacuum that works as hard as you do, because your home deserves the best care every day. Number 2. Shark Cordless Power Detect Clean and Empty System. Introducing the Shark Cordless Power Detect Clean and Empty System, a revolutionary vacuum that combines power, intelligence, and convenience. The Power Detect technology automatically adjusts suction based on detected debris, ensuring optimal performance on any surface, from carpets to hardwood floors. Emptying the vacuum is a breeze with the Clean and Empty system. Just press a button and the dust cup empties without any mess. The cordless design allows allows for unrestricted movement. And with up to 40 minutes of runtime, you can clean your entire home in one go. Need extra power? The Boost mode has you covered for tough spots. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, this vacuum is perfect for quick cleanups and deep cleaning sessions. LED headlights illuminate hidden debris, ensuring you don't miss a thing. Transform your cleaning routine with the Shark Cordless Power Detect Clean and Empty system. Enjoy a spotless home with minimal effort, because you deserve a vacuum that works as hard as you do. Number 1. Dyson V8 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the Dyson V8 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, your ultimate ally in achieving a spotless home with minimal effort. Imagine a vacuum that's not only powerful but also incredibly versatile and easy to use. That's exactly what the Dyson V8 delivers. This powerhouse of a vacuum features a digital motor that spins up to 110,000 RPM, providing powerful suction to tackle dust, dirt, and pet hair on all floor types. Its lightweight design ensures you can effortlessly clean every nook and cranny, from ceilings to floors and even those hard-to-reach spaces. The Dyson V8 offers up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction, giving you plenty of time to clean your entire home without interruption. And when you need an extra boost, the Max mode provides 7 minutes of higher suction for the toughest jobs. One of the standout features of the Dyson V8 is its hygienic dirt ejector. With a simple push of a button, you can empty the bin without getting your hands dirty. The whole machine HEPA filtration system captures allergens and expels cleaner air, making it perfect for households with allergy sufferers. Transform your cleaning routine with the versatility of the Dyson V8. Convert it to a handheld vacuum for quick cleanups, car interiors, and upholstery care. The included combination and crevice tools make it easy to tackle any task, big or small. The Dyson V8 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner isn't just a vacuum, it's a revolution in home cleaning. Elevate your cleaning game with a vacuum that combines power, versatility, and convenience in one sleek package, because your home deserves the best. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video about the top 5 cordless vacuum cleaner and found it helpful. Have you used any of these cordless vacuum cleaner, or do you have a personal favorite? Be sure to share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. By the way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. That way you'll support me and stay updated on all the new content I'll be sharing. Also, are there any topics you'd like me to cover in the future? If there's a product you'd like me to review or a tech topic you're curious about, let me know in the comments below. Let's grow this channel together and create amazing content. See you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.